Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video from Social Boomin. Today we are going to go over how to um, add a subdomain to wherever you host your domain, like a third-party provider, um, and connect it to your Shopify store so you can use your Shopify store as a subdomain. Um, so for instance, today we host, they host, this was set up before I got here, but they host their Weebly and Square site, and they did it through Square, which means it was like I looked it up and it's like they use register.com. I don't have a register.com login, but all you had to do was go to down here. And so the instructions from Shopify are right here. So I'll link these in the things below. But again, like I feel like it just doesn't need to be this complicated. And all you have to do is change the name of the record on your third-party domain provider's account. Now, the CNAME record that you're going to add is going to be the shops. So, for instance, when I go to in Square, go to domains and then manage domain, you scroll down to your DNS records. I already added it, but all you had to do is go add DNS record, dname, host, which this is the subdomain, so you could add your subdomain here, and then points to, and that is going to be right here. It's just this shops.myshopify.com, and you can go back and then add that, and then click save, and then once you click save, which is I already did this, we're going to cancel, then you'd go back to your Shopify store, and then you would go back to your settings, and then you go to domains, and you would click on connect existing domain, and then type in your shops dot whatever website your domain is, so soulintuit.com. Click next, and then it's already been connected, but there's just one more button you have to click, and you don't want the instructions, you just want to verify the connection. Once you verify the connection, it should pop up, it might say SSL, like waiting or something for a second, but it will, I just did this about 20 minutes ago and it changed. So that is how you add a subdomain to your non-hosted Shopify uh, website, whether it's the domain, the host, how you make the website, the CMS is, does the easy domain setup. You just have to figure out where to go, adjust those DNS records, and just add the record. So you don't need to add an A record additionally for the subdomain with Shopify. It makes it pretty simple. And yeah, overall, I thought this process was going to be a pain in the butt, and it was not too much of a pain in the butt at all. So, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more content from us. We're a new channel just starting out. We just got our 40th subscriber today. It's May 6th, 2023. So, it really does help us out if you do like the content to like and subscribe. And we also have a freeschool.com community that will, it's just like basically a group for marketing contractors, freelancers, business owners. If you have questions about marketing, it's a much easier way and concentrated place without any other distractions for us to communicate. And currently right now, if you ask a question in there, I will give you a video view or a video tutorial on your specific question back to you, and I will go back and forth until we solve the problem. So feel free to let me know, yeah, if you want to join that. And we appreciate you all tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.